Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to parse JSON using Swift 5, and we will be using decodable protocol to do this. So first of all, there are like two types of JSON which you can expect as a response of an API. So I'll show you both of them. So first response is like everything is wrapped inside an array. So you have in this scenario we have like multiple countries, like each country has its own dictionary, and every dictionary, so you can say like every country is wrapped around in an array, and another one is like a dictionary as a whole. So here I have like a Pokemon, it's like Bulbasaur. So but today we will be addressing the one with array. So let's jump in. I already created my project. We won't be using the simulator, but I just ran the project once so we don't spend time building it. So first of all, let's go ahead and create. And one more thing, so this is the API which we will be using. So like the way you get here is you just say google.com and you can say country API and click the one which says restcountries.eu. You know what, I'll post this link in the description, so come here and copy this one, but still it will be in the description. So let's jump right in. First we will create a response. So let me show you. So the things which we will be getting, so we will be doing this countries API. We will be fetching currencies. So currencies are like an array of their own, and they have like code name and symbol. Oh, so the thing is, the reason currencies is an array is some countries have multiple currencies. Yeah, they do. So let me show you. Zimbabwe is the like one example which I found out that they have like multiple currencies. Yeah, Zimbabwe is the last one. So here, if we scroll up here, so Zimbabwe has currency like Botswana Pula, British Pound, Chinese Yuan, Euro, Indian Rupee, and yeah, so on. So anyways, let's start. Okay, so here we are. So where is currencies? Yeah, currencies is an array. So we will start from the bottom, like so from the child you can say, right? And then we'll go move towards the parent. So we will start by creating a new Swift file, and not this, and just a command in and Swift, and this will be country response. And here we will create a structure, struct currency data, and this will be decodable. And here we will have, so another thing you need to keep in mind is you name everything like exactly same as the keys here. So keys are like code, name, symbol, these are keys, and these are the values. So your variable name should be similar, like exactly same as the keys. So here, so we will be fetching code and name. So let's do code, and make sure your data type matches this. So these are strings, so we'll just do string. So code string, variable name string. Yep, that's it. And now another one will be, so currencies is like a, you can select a parent key, you know. So currencies, name, and capital, like all are on the uh, same level, you know. That's how you say, like in a tree, they are everyone, every key is in a same level. So the way you can see figure out that they're on the same level is like when I hover over, like at the bottom of my browser, you can see like it says like 0 top level domain, 0 capital. So like 0 capital, 0 name, and currencies, 0 currencies. But if you go inside code, it's like 0 currency, 0 dot code. Okay, and this is a plugin which I use. It's called like JSON view. Yeah, so you can just add it, so it will just look beautiful and you can use it. So anyways, we need to create a country struct country data, and this will be decodable as well. And variable, so we will take name, capital, and currencies. So name will be name, and yeah, in a minute you will understand why I did this. So variable capital string, And now we will be using currencies, and here it will be an array of currency data. And yeah, so as we are doing this array thing, we need to do some special stuff. So now this all will be part of a special stuff. I'm not sure I'll be making video on the dictionary part of the parsing, but I may make one. But it's a little different than this one. So we will create one more struct, which will be private. Yeah, it's already private. So this is dummy data decodable, and another one will be struct country response, and this will be decodable. We'll create a variable countries, and this will be an array of country data. And now we will now we need an initializer, and this will be from decoder and decoder. And here we need one more variable, countries. So this countries we will assign it later to our like structured countries. Anyways, so countries, and initialize the array country data, and round brackets we container. And so I'll probably like make this part of the video fast. I'm not sure, maybe. So just decoder and key. So this unkeyed containers, and here as this throws, so I'll just add throws here. And here we will do try. Okay, and next we will do while not container dot at n is at n, and here if let route equal to try container dot decode, and here we will pass in country data dot self, and okay, countries dot append, and here we will append the route, and else equal to try, and this will have question marks, I forget that, and this will be the same thing again, container dot decode, and this will be dummy data dot self. And after the while loop, we just say self dot countries dot is equal to countries, and command save. And you can do like command build so that we see it's successful. Now we need a country request. So new file, Swift, and country request. And here we will have one more structure, struct and country request. So we need one constant, so which will be request URL, and it will be of type URL. Let's have initializer, so init, no parameters, and here we will assign self dot request URL equal to URL, and let me pass get the string. So again, this URL will be in the description, so it's easier for you to like just paste and paste here, and exclamation, like I know it works. This is not the way you do it, but just you can use exclamation for now. And now we will like get the data, so func get countries, and we will be using closure, so completion handler, and we need to add escaping. It will be of type result, and here array of country data, so country data, and we need to pass in like array enum. So let me create one. Go back to country response, and at the bottom you can say enum, and here will be country error and error. We will have one two, so data unavailable and case available BLE, and cannot process data, and go back, save and go back, and here we can say country error, and return type will be void. So void, open, close, and we don't need this. And here we will do the URL session dot shared dot data task with URL and completion handler. So URL will be self dot request URL and completion handler data response and error. And let's just do this. I forget it every time. So dot resume and this, and here let's do the code. So guard let data equal to data, else completion handler dot failure, and this will be data unavailable. And now we will do the JSON decoder thing. So let country response equal, let's catch first. So catch and completion handler dot failure, and this will be cannot process data. So country response will be JSON, so try JSON decoder dot decode, and this will be country response dot self, and data will be data, and completion handler success, and now we need to pass in the data. So country response dot countries, and save. And now there was some error here. So consecutive declaration URL session. Yeah, you got to do this here, not here, not here. Let me do it. Okay, here. So dot resume. Yep, and we are good. So save and go to view controller. And here we will say country request dot get countries and completion handler enter, and this will be result, and we will switch result. So case dot failure, let error, just print it. So print error and case dot success, and let countries. So these are the variable names which we use under the each cases. So here let country, we can say first equal to countries and 0. Okay, what's wrong with this? Yeah, and we can use it. So print first dot name comma first dot capital and first dot currencies, and we will grab the first one dot, let's say, let's get the code of the currency and run the simulator. So there is something wrong here. So guard let data equal to data, and yeah, we got to return here. Yeah, always forget. And run the simulator again, and it should be working fine. So we should, and yeah, as you can see, we get the output here. Afghanistan, so that's the first country. I think they are sorted. So let's search for, let me search for India. And if I scroll over here, so I can see that like it's the 25th element. So here, like instead of 0, I can make it 25. And so we will get like details about India, and run again. And here, oh wow, it says Bhutan. Yeah, anyways, you just play around with this. So if you have any questions, post it in comments. If you like my video, thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome videos. Thank you. Until later.